Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Saferpay payment acquire in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This module integrates the secure Saferpay payment gateway into your Odoo system, allowing businesses to accept online payment within ease. It supports a wide range of payment methods including credit card and international options, ensuring a smooth and secure checkout experience. This integration helps streamline transaction processing, automate payment validation, and update order status in real time, enhancing customer trust and simplifying financial operations within Odoo. So, first of all, we will go into the website module. Here, under configuration, we will find a menu for payment providers. Open that, and here you will find a menu for Saferpay. Open this payment provider. Here you can see the payment provider is Saferpay. Enable the state of this payment provider, and under that you will find a tab for credentials. Under that, enter your username. Here you can see I have entered my username. Enter your password. Here I have entered my password. Enter your customer ID and your terminal ID. After enabling all this and entering all your data, we will hop on to our home page. Here you will find a shop. Open that and add a product into your cart. Here you can see I will be adding my product customizable desk into the cart. Here click on continue shopping, and here you can see that customizable desk is in cart. Click on view cart, and here you can see the product customizable desk. Now click on checkout. Here I am clicking on checkout, and here you can see the delivery address. You can also edit it from here. You can see the delivery method is chosen as standard delivery. Now we will click on confirm. Here you need to choose a payment method which is Saferpay. You can choose your payment method as Saferpay. Now click on pay now. Here you can see that it has been redirected to the Saferpay. Here you can see you need to enter your card details. I will be entering holder name as BrowseInfo. I will be adding my card number in here, and under that I will be adding my expiry date for my card. Here after entering the expiry date you need to add your CVV number. Now click on pay. Here you can save your card details if you want, otherwise just click on cancel. Here you can see that your payment has been done. Here click on process, and you can see that your payment will be successfully done. Here you can see your payment has been successfully proceed. You will redirect it to the thank you page, and in here you can see the order number and all the payment information. Here you can see the Saferpay has paid $862. Now we will hop on to our Saferpay account. Here you can see our Saferpay account, and in here you will find a tab for transaction. Open that, and here you can see all the transaction. Here you can see the journal, and in here you will be able to see all the transaction. You can see the transaction which we just made. Here you can see the payment details and everything in here. You can see the amount is 862. Now we will come into here, and in here also you can check your amount which is 862. Now after this, under configuration, we will go into the menu payment transactions. Click that, and here you can see the transaction we just did. Here you can see the reference, you can see the payment, and under that you can see amount. Under that you will find payment method and payment provider and every other detail regarding your transaction in here. You can also see that your payment transaction is in confirmed state. Here you will find a smart button for sale order. Open that, and you will be redirected to the sale order for your transaction. Here you can see the sale order number, customer. In order line you can see the product, delivery method, and in the chatter you can see the details of your transaction and order. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.